Hi guys, Arthur here from Homeowner DIY. Guys, this is your quick tip of the week. So what you see here is a valley and a continuation of the valley. And this contractor wound up putting nails here in the valley. I don't know what code is, but I know you can't have nails in the middle of the valley. I told the homeowner that I am going to fix this. So what my plan here will be is I'm going to try to just raise this metal up and see if I can slide a shingle underneath here to cover this up. So what we'll do now is material and tools. All right, this is the material and tools list. So I have some shingle, 1.5 inch galvanized roofing nails, a tube of Geocel 4500. This is roof sealant. For tools, silicone gun, flat pry bar, and then I have my pouch. So hammer, knife, measuring tape, anything else I might need to do this roof valley repair. Guys, this is the material and tools list for this job. So let's get started. Okay, so this piece of metal is lower than this one here. So what I'm going to do is... Alright, so what I'm going to do is try to see if I can put a shingle up underneath here. Now guys, this is not what I'd consider to be a proper fix, but I told the homeowner I'd try to do something for them. So I'll grab a 10-inch piece of shingle and I'll see if I can slide it underneath. Alright, so this is a 9-inch piece of shingle. Alright, so I'm going to put a nail here. And then I'm going to grab another piece of shingle, try to cover this, and then another piece of shingle and try to cover this over here. And then I'm going to use Geocel to seal this all down. Alright, so we'll put some Geocel underneath. Alright, I'll put one nail here in the common bond. All I'm going to do here is slide a couple shingles under both sides and then either put a nail in where I can and just use some Geocel to hold it in place. The idea here is just the water is going to shed off, but what I want to do is just cover up the nails to keep this area from having water sit in it. Now, this is a very simple repair. It's not the ideal solution, but this is all I can do. I told the homeowner I'd do something for them, so anything here is better than nothing. But all that's going to happen is water is going to go from one material to the next, and it's just going to keep dropping down until it goes into the lower valley. Alright guys, so this is my DIY fix on this. I don't have approval to do anything more, but the idea of what I'm doing here is I'm just sliding shingles underneath the flashing and then a few on top. So that when the water comes down, it'll drip off the edge and it's not going to go down into the valley. But when it comes to a valley, you can't put nails into a valley, and this was apparently a professional, it was a contractor. And what do you know, apparently they're now out of business. But when you do stuff like this, then don't expect to be in business very long. But guys, this is a quick and simple fix. I can't do anything more because I don't have authorization. But if you see exposed nails, make sure that you put something over it. And in this case here, you can't even put sealant over it because I don't think it's just not done correctly in simple terms. But guys, that is your quick tip of the week.